The day ends, light fades, it's a time for reflection, for peace. As the world around us prepares for slumber, so should we. The constant hum of activity, the demands on our attention all begin to soften. This is the time to transition, to let go of the day's cares and embrace the stillness of the evening. This is not just about resting our bodies, it's about finding peace within. An opportunity to create a sense of balance after the day's exertions, to reconnect with ourselves. Imagine a twilight sky. Hues of orange and purple paint the heavens. The air is cool, carrying the scent of evening blooms. Sounds soften, replaced by the gentle chirping of crickets. This is the symphony of twilight. Take a slow, deep breath. Feel the coolness in your lungs. This is the essence of the evening, a time to let go, to simply be. In this tranquil space, we find mindfulness, a practice that asks for nothing but our presence. It's about noticing, feeling, being present in the moment. The benefits are plentiful: less stress, better sleep, a calmer mind. Mindfulness is not about emptying our thoughts, it's about observing them without judgment. Like ripples on a still pond, our thoughts may come and go. We simply observe. This is the heart of mindfulness. Section 4, A Journey Inward, your mindfulness guide. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you wish. Take a deep breath. Feel your chest rise and fall. Focus on your breath. Notice the natural rhythm. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Don't judge your thoughts. Let them pass like clouds. Bring your attention to your body. Notice any sensations: warmth, coolness, pressure. Simply observe. This is mindfulness in practice. Section 5, Tranquility Found, Benefits of the Practice. Regular practice brings a sense of calm, stress melts away, sleep comes easier. Our minds, once cluttered, find clarity. We become more aware of our thoughts, our feelings, ourselves. This awareness is a gift. It allows us to respond to life's challenges with more peace and understanding. Mindfulness is a journey inward, a journey towards peace and self-discovery. The evening is the perfect time to embark on this journey. Section 6, Embrace the Calm. As you end your mindfulness practice, carry this sense of calm with you. Remember the tranquility you found. Make this a nightly ritual, a gift you give yourself at the end of each day. Embrace the stillness, embrace the peace. In the quiet moments of the evening, you'll find the strength and clarity to face the new day.